To set up the Swig Rig, you're going to want to take whatever bottle you plan to use. Here, I have a Nalgene 48-ounce bottle. I'm going to remove the cap. That allows me to place our cap onto this bottle. So this straw here is pre-cut for these tall 48-ounce Nalgenes, but you can easily trim it for other bottles. Take your straw, insert it onto the bottom, just twist it on there. On the top, you're going to notice there's a step barb, so that's going to be facing up. It's a two-piece cap, so when you go to turn it, it tightens down and the hose doesn't turn on you. Cap is on. Now I can take the hose with the open end and press that onto the barb. If you push it down all the way, it'll be very tough to get off, and you're good to go. If you were going to use our 28 Swig ultralight cap, it also has a step barb. It's the same process. Insert the straw, put the cap on top, and then you can place the hose on top of there. Also, if you have any other questions, inside of all of our header cards, you're going to notice instructions. You can check those out, and also you can give us a call or email us. That contact information you'll find inside the header card. Thank you.